Welcome to the noodle story. From the streets of Bangkok to Tokyo's ramen bars to your own kitchen, noodles are not just food, they are culture on a plate. But here's the real question. Are you eating the right noodle for the right dish? We're gonna find out. Today we break down the world's most popular noodles: rice, Hakka, Soba, Udon, and Ramen. Starting with number 1, rice noodles. Rice noodles are light, soft, and naturally gluten-free. They are made from rice flour and water, giving them that soft, slippery texture. They are best for pad thai, pho, and light stir-fries. A chef tip: they are perfect for fast digestion and light meals, ideal for hot climates. Next up are Hakka noodles, the king of Indo-Chinese kitchens. Hakka noodles are made from wheat flour and have a firm and slightly chewy texture. They are best for street-style stir-fry, Szechuan noodles, and Manchurian combos. Chef insight: these noodles are built for high-flame wok cooking and absorb sauces beautifully. Moving on to Soba, Japan's healthy, earthy noodle. Soba is made from buckwheat, giving it a slightly grainy and firm texture. Health edge: it's high in protein and fiber, making it the smart choice noodle. Next, we have Udon, thick, soft, and deeply comforting. Udon is made from wheat flour, resulting in a thick, chewy, and smooth texture. Udon is best for satisfying soups, mild broths, and comfort bowls. Chef tip: when you want something filling but gentle, udon is your answer. Finally, the global superstar, ramen noodles. Ramen is made from wheat plus alkaline water, known as kansui. This gives it that signature springy and elastic texture. Ramen is best paired with rich broths like tonkatsu, miso, or shoyu. That signature bounce? That's the alkaline magic that gives ramen its unique bite. Let's recap with a quick comparison of all 5 noodles. Rice is soft for light dishes, Hakka is firm for stir-fry, Soba is earthy for healthy meals, Udon is thick for comfort soups, and Ramen is elastic for rich broths. Choosing the right noodle is not just cooking, it's respecting the dish. Now it's your turn. Which noodle do you prefer? Rice, Hakka, Soba, Udon, or Ramen? Comment below. And if you love food that teaches you something new, like, subscribe, and stay hungry.